I have declared this Pluto Week in honor of our dwarf planet Pluto, because Pluto is pretty amazing despite being called a dwarf planet. And there's the new mission Voyager thing going to Pluto right now that's going to get to the closest point to Pluto on July 14th, 2015. That's right, in 3 days. So, in honor of that, I have decided to do a Pluto-themed marathon. This New Horizon mission thing has been going to Pluto for about 9 years now. It's been traveling very fast. It's one of the fastest things on Earth that we know of. Well, it's not on Earth anymore. It's almost to Pluto, and it has taken a few pictures of Pluto. So anyway, let's start off with some facts about our little friend. Pluto makes a revolution around the sun in about 247 Earth years. That means that when it was discovered in 1930 till the point where it was declared a dwarf planet, it hasn't even had a full year. Happy New Year, Pluto. Nope, no New Year. It's smaller than our moon. Its diameter is about 66% of our moon's diameter. Its surface temperature ranges from 33 degrees Kelvin to 55 degrees Kelvin. That is about negative 229 degrees Celsius, which is 33 degrees colder than the boiling point of liquid nitrogen. I think that's pretty cool. See what I did there? So what is Pluto actually made out of? Rock? No. Metals? Well, a little bit in the core, maybe. But primarily ice. Wait, before you get excited and think, oh my gosh, a source of water on Pluto, we can live there if we can survive extremely cold temperatures and melt the ice somehow. It's not made out of water. It's made out of, wait for it, nitrogen. Yep. And also a little bit of methane and carbon monoxide. Let's not drink that, okay? Another trivial fact, it was discovered on February 18th, 1930 by Clyde W. Tombaugh. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm sorry, Clyde. It surprisingly has 5 moons. Now bear with me here. I'm very bad at pronunciation sometimes. There's Charon, which has about half of the diameter of Pluto. There's also Styx, Nix, Cerberus, and Hydra. Pluto was named by an 11-year-old girl whose name is Venetia Burney. She was interested in classical mythology. The Lowell Observatory had the rights to name Pluto. So basically, she suggested the name to someone who passed it along to someone who knew that observatory. A whole bunch of names were suggested, but that was kind of the one that stuck. It was finally chosen from a list of 3 names on March 24th, 1930, and everyone voted for Pluto. That's pretty impressive. Well, enough with the facts. Let's take a little tiny break and discover what's in the secret door today. The secret door. Well, there you have it. I mean, what were you expecting? Of course, I had to include something with Pluto. Whew. Okay, well, let's get back to learning about Pluto. So, the name Pluto sounds a lot like the Mickey Mouse character, Pluto. Well, it's the same name. So, could Pluto the planet possibly have been named after the Mickey Mouse dog? I mean, Mickey Mouse is kind of old. Plus, an 11-year-old girl named the planet, and she probably watched Mickey Mouse.